Hey everyone! Today we're at Moose Creek in northern Idaho. We drive up the trail through some farmland that begins to turn into dense trees. After about 5 miles, we make it into a beautiful clearing with 2 lakes, one being very long and the other small. This is a great campground and fishing spot. Many people day camp and bring their kayaks or paddleboards here. It's a quiet lake. While there, we saw little ducks with their ducklings and enjoyed hot dogs on the fire. It was a cooler, cloudy day, so no swimming for us. Just lots of kayaking and enjoying the beautiful nature. Enjoy!